how to start speaking in English. I'm a beginner and I actually want to speak in English. Whenever I see others talking in English, it seems to me very easy. But when I want to speak in English, I find difficulty in speaking. And I have no idea like what to do, how to start in English, how to start speaking in English. Friends, if you are the one who is also willing to speak this language and you have no idea like how to start, so definitely I'm telling you this video is going to be very fruitful for you, very helpful for you, because in today's video I will be sharing with you baby steps. Yes friends, baby steps are the mind-blowing steps and I'm 100% sure that you may have heard about this. Okay, because there are so many English learners who have applied these steps in their process. Okay, actually when I was a beginner, so I also applied this step, baby steps, to learn English. So friends, before heading to anything, I welcome you to my channel, Anushree English Channel, and my name is Anu Mathur and I hope you all are doing great and you are learning this language in a very great way. Friends, so far as baby steps are concerned, it's really very mind-blowing and it's very like useful in our learning process. I have observed this thing and it's my personal experience. When the day I did not know, the day I didn't know about baby steps, I got surprised, I got astonished like what are the baby steps? What are the baby steps? But friends, when I started applying, I found it very like very useful for me, very fruitful for me. And day by day, step by step, by percentage, I saw improvement in my speaking skill. So I'm telling you, I'm just going to share with you baby steps and please listen like what things you need to do in terms of learning this language. If you really want to speak this language, so please listen very attentively. Okay, because it is really going to be very helpful for you. Friends, English language has become a professional language. It has become a like mandatory language to speak in our profession. Whenever you are at your home, so just go with your language, whatever you speak. But friends, in a professional life, it has become a part of our conversation. So if you are thinking to learn this language, so it's okay. I think you must learn this language. Okay, because there are so many benefits of learning this language. Friends, let me tell you what things you have to do in order to follow baby steps. Just think for some time, like whenever you see little baby, so what does he do? Like he just observe the things. Okay, he just like listens everything. However, he cannot speak anything, but he is always focused towards listening, like what people are talking. Okay, and you will think like they are understanding nothing, right? But they are observing all the things. Whatever you are talking, whatever you are doing, they are observing all the things. So friends, in the beginning of your learning journey, you have to also follow these things. Just observe the things. Okay, like how people speak, what is the way of speaking. So you have to create the habit of listening first and foremost. Just create a habit of listening. Okay, if you are absolute beginner and you know nothing about English language, you have like zero knowledge about English language, so I recommend you like first start listening, because listening impacts a lot. How did you learn your mother tongue? Okay, by listening. So you have to follow this step. Like a baby in the first step, in the initial stage, baby listens more and more and he observes the things. So you have to do the same thing. You have to listen more and more. And friends, you know very well that a baby cannot understand anything in the beginning, but he tries to understand. So same thing you have to do when you start listening any podcast, any audio story. So definitely in the beginning you will be not able to understand the things. But you have to not give up. You have to not speak yourself like, I'm not going to listen because I'm not understanding anything. No, you have to not speak like that. You have to just keep on listening. And friends, within couple of days, you will notice mind-blowing result. What? You, percentage by percentage, day by day, and step by step, you will understand the things. Yeah, it happens, friends. It happens to everyone. So why will not it happen to you? So friends, what you notice, like a baby without understanding, he is focused towards listening. Like he keeps on listening. So same thing you have to do. It does not matter whether you are understanding or not. You have to keep listening. Okay, every day you have to keep listening on the regular basis, regularly. Never give up and always believe in yourself like that today you have started listening, so definitely after 10 days you will start understanding, because the thing which you observe, which you listen again and again, so definitely you will start speaking that thing. It happens to us. And one more thing, what you need to do, like avoid negative comments. When a baby speak something wrong, so people start laughing at them, but a baby does not mind, right? He just keeps on speaking. He speaks in the beginning like wrong grammatical mistake he does. He speaks like you can say tutti frutti Hindi, broken Hindi, or the language which you speak, and people starts laughing, listening his speech, but he never get frustrated. He keeps on speaking. So same thing we have to do. Whenever you start speaking in this language, so there will be so many people. They will comment you, criticize you, laugh you, mock you. But you have to avoid all those things. You have to avoid negative comments, and you have to keep moving forward. Okay, you have to just go ahead. Like you have to only focus towards your goal. Like what your goal is? Your goal is to speak this language. Like so you have to speak this language. And friends, there is a question like we are beginner and we are advised to listen something. So what things we should listen? Here friends, I recommend you, like in the beginning, don't try to listen like celebrity speech or like the podcast which you are unable to understand. Just start listening like animated short story. The story of elephant, the story of elephant, cats, rats, crocodile, okay, grasshopper. So there are, I think, multiple stories on YouTube if you go and search. So start listening those stories. And in the beginning, just keep your duration only for 5 to 6 minutes. Because if you keep like long duration, so you will forget all the things. So keep your duration only for 5 to 6 minutes. And friends, again and again, you have to listen that thing what you select. Okay, actually I'm improving my pronunciation. And you have to like read subtitle, because you won't be able to understand the things. So I think through by picturization you will catch all the things, and you have to read subtitle, because when you read subtitle you will find multiple vocabularies and sentence formation. And people say like, what is the combination of reading to listening? Friends, there is a huge combination of reading to listening. Whenever you are reading, so you find like multiple vocabulary, and when someone comes to you and start speaking something, so you just, your mind clicks you like, yes, this is the word I have already listened somewhere, or I have already read somewhere. So this is the benefit of reading books and listening something. That's why in this journey you have to like follow like listening and reading always on the regular basis. Don't skip even a single day. If you skip a single day, so definitely you will come back on the first day. Okay, so you have to continue your journey. Per day you have to read. And you know, friends, very well that consistency plays very important role in order to learn this language. If you are consistent, okay, so definitely you will get the things what you like and how you like. So you have to be in this journey, you have to be very dedicated and devoted. Okay, and you have to keep like patience. Like if you are learning something, if you are devoting your time, so definitely you will get good result. Okay, and always keep motivating yourself that I can, I will, because you are a beginner, and it will happen to you like after some time you will get demotivated, like you are not getting result according your choice, so you will get demotivated. So that time you have to motivate yourself like I can, I will. Okay, I'm the best, I can do the things. Okay, I will be winner. So that's what you have to speak to yourself, and always be consistent, and definitely you will see mind-blowing result. Because friends, it's my own experience, like in my initial days I was not able to speak. Okay, but now I can speak before camera, and how it happened, by practice and with passage of time I got to know how to speak. So definitely friends, if you are also willing to speak this language, so definitely you can also speak if you are consistent, if you are like passionate, and if you have like patience, and if you follow discipline, so definitely you can learn this language. I think that's all in today's video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, and bye bye.